Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we start, let me ask you something. Do you feel nervous when you try to speak English? Do you understand English but speaking feels difficult?
Yeah, and maybe you're thinking, I know the words, but my mouth just won't move. If that sounds like you, don't worry, you're in the right place.
In today's lesson, we're going to help you improve your English step by step. This video is made especially for beginners who want to speak English more confidently.
Here's what we're going to cover today. First, we'll start with listening practice so you can train your ears. Then we'll learn useful vocabulary from the conversation.
After that, you'll listen and answer simple questions so you can start thinking in English.
And finally, we'll do shadowing practice where you repeat after us to improve pronunciation.
So yes, this is not just watching. You'll listen, you'll speak, and you'll practice with us.
All right, let's begin with part 1, listening practice. Don't read, just listen carefully and relax.
So Emma, I noticed something interesting yesterday at the cafe.
Oh, really? What happened?
Well, my friend ordered the cheapest thing on the menu, again, and I couldn't help thinking, wow, you're such a cheapskate.
That word always makes me laugh, but honestly, we all know someone like that, don't we?
Someone who hates spending money even on small things? All right, welcome to part 2, vocabulary practice. Now we're going to explain some important words from the conversation. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and practical. These are words you can actually use in daily life. Let's start with the word cheapskate. A cheapskate is a person who doesn't like to spend money. Even when something is cheap, they still say, no, it's too expensive.
Yeah, it's not a nice word, but it's very common in casual English. People usually use it with friends, not in formal situations.
For example, listen carefully. My brother never buys coffee outside. He's such a cheapskate.
Another example, she earns a lot of money, but she hates spending it. Total cheapskate.
The next word is notice. To notice means to see or realize something.
Like in the conversation, I said, I noticed something interesting. That means I saw it and paid attention to it.
Simple example. I noticed you look tired today.
Another useful word is order. When you ask for food or drinks in a cafe or restaurant, you order something.
For example, I ordered a coffee and a sandwich.
Very common word. You'll hear it everywhere in the US and UK.
So let's quickly review. Cheapskate, someone who doesn't like spending money.
Notice, to see or realize something.
Order, to ask for food or drinks. Great job so far. Now it's time to use these words yourself.
Let's move to part 3, listen and answer practice. Get ready to speak.
Now welcome to part 3, listen and answer practice. In this part, you will listen, think, and then answer out loud.
Yes, this is very important.
Don't just listen in your head, speak with your mouth. Listen carefully. Question 1. Who is the cheapskate in the conversation? Is it Emma or is it Liam?
Say your answer out loud. For example, Liam is the cheapskate.
Good job. Now, question 2. What did Liam notice about Emma?
You can answer like this. He noticed Emma ordered something expensive.
All right, next one. Question 3. What did Emma order?
Your answer can be simple. She ordered a coffee, or she ordered food and coffee.
Now let's make it personal. Are you a cheapskate? Yes or no?
Try answering like this. Yes, I'm a little cheapskate. Or, no, I'm not a cheapskate.
If you feel shy, that's okay. Making mistakes is part of learning English.
The more you speak, the better you get. Even short answers are perfect.
Amazing work. Now you're ready for the final step.
Let's move to part 4, shadowing practice. This is where your pronunciation really improves.
Now, welcome to part 4, shadowing practice. This is where your English starts to sound natural.
Yes, in shadowing, you listen and repeat immediately. No stopping, no thinking too much.
I will say one sentence. You repeat it right after me. Ready?
Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just follow the sound.
Liam, you are such a cheapskate.
Pause. Repeat it again. Liam, you are such a cheapskate.
You always choose the cheapest option.
Pause. Now you. You always choose the cheapest option.
I just like saving money.
Pause. Repeat. I just like saving money.
That doesn't mean I'm cheap.
Pause. Your turn. That doesn't mean I'm cheap.
Okay, I'm just joking.
Pause. Repeat with feeling. Okay, I'm just joking.
Focus on the rhythm, not each word. English flows like music.
Practice this part every day. Even 5 minutes helps a lot.
Great job! You just practiced real English speaking.
Keep practicing. Your confidence will grow step by step.
Welcome to the final part of today's lesson. You did really well.
Yes, seriously. If you followed till here, you're doing great.
Let me ask you something. Did you feel more confident than before?
If yes, that's amazing. If not, that's okay too.
Learning English is not about being perfect. It's about practice.
Small steps every day matter more. 5 minutes is better than 0.
Here's what you can do daily. Listen once, repeat once, shadow once.
That's it. No pressure, no stress.
Watch this video again tomorrow. Repeat the same conversation.
Your brain learns by repetition. That's how fluency grows.
Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday.
Every word you speak is progress. Every mistake means learning.
You are learning English. You are improving.
And you are in the right place. We're learning together.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing.
And enjoy learning English.